Tired of your global name showing on every server? Learn how to set a unique nickname per Discord server in under a minute. So here's the thing. Your global username follows you everywhere on Discord, but you don't have to be known by it in every single community. Maybe you want to be known as Chef Mike in your cooking server, but just Mike in your gaming group. Discord actually lets you do this, and it only takes a few clicks. We'll walk through the exact steps. Access the server, edit your profile, and save your new per-server nickname. First, go to the Discord server where you want to change your nickname. It can be any server you're a member of. Now, look at the member list on the right-hand side, or find your name in the chat area. You'll see your current display name there, but we're going to change it. Now, click on the Edit Profile button. This is the little pencil icon near your name, usually found right next to the server's channel list or at the top of the member list. When you click that, a new window opens up. And I want you to look closely at this window because there's something really important here. See that section near the top of the window? There's a button that says Edit Per Server Profile. This is the key to everything we're trying to do. A lot of people miss this button and end up changing their global username instead, which affects every server they're in. So this is the exact spot where you get that per server control. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a field labeled Nickname, or it might just show your current global name. Click on that field to select the text. If you've never set a nickname here before, it'll be blank, or it might show your regular username. Either way, click inside that box. Now, type in the nickname you want for this specific server. Let's say you want to be known as Highlight for this particular community. Just type it in. And here's a quick tip. You can use capital letters, lowercase, numbers, even some special characters, but you can't use things that look like a server admin or a bot. Keep it clean. Once you've typed exactly what you want, look for the Save button. It's usually a blue button at the bottom or top right of this editing panel. Click on Save. And that's it. You're done. Now, whenever you send a message in this server, people will see your new nickname instead of your global username. And the best part is, this only affects this one server. You can repeat these steps for every server you're in and have a completely different identity in each one. So go ahead and give it a try. Pick a server and set a nickname that feels right for that community. It makes Discord feel a little more personal, a little more yours.